What's up, everybody? My name is Leslie. Is here 35, and today we're gonna be playing EARTH3D. Yeah. Okay, first we got Canada.
I thought Canada was English.
Ottawa. Yeah. But they have a fucking script. Oh shit. Next we got is Thailand.
Didn't Thailand uses the language as Cantonese?
Bangkok. Is that a fucking... What the... First we got is Nigeria. Abuja.
It's not the result you thought.
They added the fucking turkey plate. Okay, the next one is where the fuck is it? Next we got is Shadow Goji's commentary in the country. We have Shadow Goji's We got Shadow Goji's country, Malaysia. Shadow Goji loves Malaysia. What the fuck do we got next? Oh yeah, Iran. The one who thinks is Arabic.
Isn't Iran the language of Arabic though?
Before I leave, I have to say something. I have to find Ukraine. Oh, there it is. So that's all. Bye.